If you've ever wondered how far voice assistants have come, or if it's finally time to upgrade your smart home game, Amazon's Echo and Alexa lineup might just be your best bet. From immersive sound systems to compact bedside assistants, Amazon has created a device for practically every room, every lifestyle, and every use case. Whether you're new to smart home gear or already knee-deep in routines and voice commands, this list of the best Amazon Echo and Alexa devices should help you figure out which one fits your setup. As always, all the product links are right there in the description if you want more details or you're ready to snag one for yourself. Let's start big. Literally, with the Amazon Echo Show 15 and the newer Echo Show 21. These two aren't your typical smart displays. The Echo Show 15 looks like a digital bulletin board and works perfectly as a centralized home hub. It's got a sharp full HD screen that's great for watching Prime Video, checking recipes, or keeping tabs on your smart devices with visual widgets. I've had the Show 15 in my kitchen for months now, and it's become the go-to for our family calendar, shopping lists, photo slideshows, and those random Alexa questions that pop up during dinner. Now, the Echo Show 21 takes that concept and blows it up, in a good way. With its larger 21-inch display and more of a TV-like design, it's built for people who want Alexa with a full entertainment experience in the kitchen or living space. It's perfect for watching content from across the room or following step-by-step recipes without squinting. The only catch with both models is that they're designed to be wall-mounted or placed somewhere permanent. They're not portable at all. But if you're looking for a smart display that feels more like a home appliance than a gadget, either one is a solid pick depending on your space and screen size preference. Next up is the Amazon Echo Studio, which continues to dominate as the best-sounding Alexa speaker out there. This thing packs a serious punch with 3D audio and Dolby Atmos support, giving you rich, immersive sound that feels way too good for a speaker this size. It's designed to adapt to the acoustics of your room, which actually makes a noticeable difference. A friend of mine uses it as his primary living room speaker, and he ditched his old soundbar after comparing the two. The downside? It's bulkier than other Echo speakers and really designed for people who care about audio quality. But if music is a big part of your day, this one earns its spot easily. For those looking for a smart display that moves with you, literally, the Amazon Echo Show 10 is a wild piece of tech. Its screen actually rotates to follow you around the room, which sounds gimmicky until you're cooking or on a video call and realize how useful it is. The audio is great, the visuals are sharp, and the movement tracking is surprisingly smooth. One thing to note, the rotating base makes it heavier and a bit awkward to fit on shallow counters or shelves. Still, if you're into video calls, interactive cooking tutorials, or just want your device to feel a bit more alive, this one is fun and genuinely helpful. Now let's talk about the classic Amazon Echo, the standard model. It's been updated multiple times, and the latest version features a spherical design that actually helps deliver more balanced sound. Alexa feels faster and more responsive, and the built-in Zigbee hub is a nice touch for smart home folks who want fewer devices cluttering up their setup. It's not as flashy as a Show model, but for bedrooms, kitchens, or even larger spaces, it does the job really well. I've used this as my go-to alarm clock for a while now, and the sound quality is surprisingly decent for its size. Just keep in mind that if you're only using it for voice commands, it might feel a bit overpowered for such simple tasks. The Echo Show 8 is like the Goldilocks of smart displays, just the right size for most people. The screen is large enough to enjoy content or video calls, but compact enough to fit on a desk, dresser, or kitchen counter without taking over. It's got spatial audio and a clean HD screen, and it works great as a smart home dashboard. A close friend recently swapped out her old tablet for this and uses it for everything from setting routines to watching news clips while getting ready in the morning. One drawback is that it's not as powerful as the Echo Studio or as flashy as the Show 10, but if you want a balance of function and form, this is a top pick. Then there's the Echo Spot, which is one of the more niche options in the lineup. It's a compact circular display that works best as a smart alarm clock or a bedside assistant. The round design is unique, but it does limit the kind of content you can comfortably view on it. That said, the Spot excels in areas where space is limited. Offices, nightstands, or even bathrooms. It fits right in. One user I talked to mentioned using it as a morning assistant in their home office, mainly for calendar reminders and weather updates, and it was perfect for that. If you're looking for compact convenience, this little guy is hard to beat. Just don't expect a cinematic experience on the screen. Moving on to the Echo Show 5, which is essentially the Echo Spot's cousin, with a more traditional rectangular display. It's smaller than the Show 8, but still gives you access to all the core Alexa features: video calls, routines, music, and more. The sound quality is decent for the size, though you won't get deep bass or room-filling audio here. It's great for kids' rooms or as a simple display on a desk or shelf. I picked one up as a gift for my niece, and she loves using it to play music and check homework reminders. If you're on a budget but still want a screen, this is a smart choice. The Echo Dot remains one of the most popular Alexa devices, and for good reason. It's small, affordable, and does almost everything the bigger Echo can do, just in a more compact package. The latest version features a more refined spherical shape and surprisingly punchy sound for its size. One drawback is that it lacks the deeper audio quality of its bigger siblings, and without a screen, it's all voice-driven. But for dorms, guest rooms, or entryways, it's perfect. A coworker told me they use theirs just to control lights and ask for the weather, and honestly, that's a great use case. Simple, effective, and cheap. And then there's the Echo Pop, which is Amazon's newest mini speaker in the lineup. Think of it like a little sibling to the Echo Dot: slightly flatter design, even smaller footprint, and a surprisingly bold personality. This one's ideal if you want Alexa in a space like a bathroom, closet, or even a hallway. It's available in fun colors and adds a bit of personality to any space. I tested one out in my laundry room, and now I'm getting weather updates and podcast summaries while folding clothes. The sound is what you'd expect: basic but functional. If you want something tiny, cute, and helpful, the Pop is a great pick. Last but not least, let's talk about the Echo Auto. Alexa in your car. Yes, really. This small device connects to your phone and plays through your car speakers, giving you hands-free access to music, navigation, reminders, and more. It's especially useful if your vehicle doesn't already have built-in voice controls or smart integration. I tried this during a road trip last year and found it really helpful for switching playlists and getting traffic updates without touching my phone. The downside? It depends heavily on your phone's data connection, so if you're somewhere with spotty signal, it can lag or miss commands. But for frequent drivers, it's a smart way to make your car a little more connected. So what's the verdict on all these Echo and Alexa devices? It really comes down to what you need and where you plan to use it. If you're just starting out or want something simple for a bedroom or dorm, the Echo Dot and Echo Pop are your best bets. Need a screen but don't want to overdo it? Go with the Echo Show 5 or Show 8, small, functional, and great for daily routines. For audio lovers, the Echo Studio is the clear standout with its immersive sound, while the standard Echo gives you great all-around performance without breaking the bank. If you're looking to outfit your kitchen or living area with a truly functional smart screen, the Echo Show 15 or 21 are hard to beat. And for mobile users, the Echo Auto turns any car into a smarter ride. Ultimately, think about how you'll use it, whether it's music, routines, video calls, or just checking the weather hands-free, and that will guide you toward the right device. Everything we've talked about is linked below in the description, so check those out for pricing, color options, and any deals happening right now. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe for more smart gear reviews, and let me know in the comments which Echo device is your go-to. Catch you in the next one.